Hello guys, welcome to another video on unspot.com where we share with you side hustles that can earn you money at the comfort of your home. Today's side hustle which I'll be sharing with you is to join email marketing affiliate program which guarantees commission up to 40% on every sale. Now you might think, why is it so lucrative? Well, email marketing is around since inception of internet and email services providers. It has a high return on investment, that is to say that per $1 spent on email marketing, you get a return on investment of $49. So there are hundreds of businesses out there who are looking for email marketing service providers so they can get benefit from it. So today we will be sharing with you the top 5 email marketing affiliate programs which only requires an hour of yours and you will be all set to come out from your 9 to 5 jobs. So before I move ahead, press the subscribe button and hit the bell icon. So the first website which I'll be sharing with you is Getresponse.com. On Getresponse they say you get paid for every time you refer a client to them. There are two great programs from which you can choose. They have affiliate recurring program that gives you 33% commission for every month, or there is a bounty program that says that for every sale you do or done by through your link you get $100. And why you should choose from it, the real reason is this 120-day cookie, that is a 4 months trace period whenever a sale happens through your account, and so they can always track it back to you. They have a perfect ecosystem and you can just join it up by signing up here, clicking it up, and it will then ask you which program you want to join. You want to join the recurring program or the bounty program, so whichever you select, they will open it up form for you, which says that you're welcome to the Getresponse affiliate recurring program. You need to fill up your details and you have to tell them how you are going to promote it. You can say that you can doing it by article on your web, you're going to do it through email marketing to your list, you are going to do through video marketing, consulting clients, social media, any option through which you can actually sell their product, and you can make commission out of it. Alright, so the next one is the active campaign one, where you can actually earn an average up to $13.50 per referral. So it's a huge amount. So what you have to do is you have to click on this one. They will ask you for your company name, your email address. Once you gone through it, they will open up another form for you, and you will get the referral link which you can put to your website, to your Facebook, to your social media, to your Instagram, to your Twitter, and you can actually make sales out there. The third one is ConvertKit, and it is actually helping creators earning a life online and making some cash out of it. And all you have to do is you have to join it up. So anyone can actually join this program. So the third one is ConvertKit.com, and all you have to do is join their affiliate program. If you already have I already have an account here, but I will still go through the link for you. So here you put up your email address, ConvertKit, how to become I just putting up my email address, and let's see, and then you have this, that your name, your last name, your PayPal email, what job title describes you the best, the name of your business, the URL, everything you put out here, and you submit the application, and they send you a link to your PayPal email account and to your official email account, and you have to verify both and you can move forward. The fourth one is Sendinblue. In Sendinblue they have a very great program, that is their expert program. You can become their expert partner in it, and there are almost about 110,000 agencies and digital professionals who are already a part of it. So what you have to do, you have to get in touch, you have to sign up from here, and you have to start making money. And the fifth one is the ClickFunnels. ClickFunnels is around for decades now, and it says that you can earn up to 40% monthly recurring commission on every sale you do. And all you have to do is click here, that ClickFunnels users log into your affiliate account, or non-ClickFunnels users. So you have to sign up to promote this ClickFunnels. So sign up, and it will take you you became an affiliate through here. All right, so this was all for the today, guys. Thank you very much for watching. Click earnonspot.com. See you around. Well, if you liked today's video, press the like button, leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. Also share this video with your friends who are struggling to earn money or stuck in a 9 to 5 job. Also let us know the topics you want us to cover. We have skilled resources who can share knowledge with you on demand. So feel free and let us know. And oh yes, hit the bell icon too. We really don't want that you miss our next video.